So Todd's always a, is the word connoisseur?
No, not a connoisseur. I know what the word you're going for. He's a glutton for punishment. No, I always want to try something different. So.
Yeah, Todd.
Yeah, yes. Yes.
Todd always wants to try something different. So
this is a mango loco.
Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. My name's David. What's your name?
I'm Ninette.
And our cat's Tansy, she's not with us. We're actually down at the, they call this the Yuma Swap Meet. We already introduced you to the Arizona Marketplace. That's kind of the place we go a lot. And it's a lot more formal. The Yuma Swap Meet here is more like a flea market. So a lot of little odds and ends. It's kind of fun. It's more like Mexico in a lot of ways because they've got a lot of eateries. They've got a lot of things going down here. You can get a lot of Mexican food. They have bands playing. And our friends are, we're down here with our friends, so we'll probably be introducing you to our friends too. So anyway, we're going to go in here and just kind of show you around just a little bit, but we're going to have some fun, just kind of check things out a little bit. So, okay, we're coming. All right, so here's our friends. We got Todd back there. We got Ann right here. Yeah, and we got Teresa and Jerry. And Ninette is, oh, there's Ninette. So we got everybody here, so we're gonna go and visit the market here, and it's a little breezy, but hopefully it won't be too bad on the video. So we are walking up to the gate here. It is a little breezy, sorry. It does cost to get in here, and it's $2, but there is a coupon you can search for. It gives you $1 off. How about Winnie the Pooh? Look at this on VHS. Something like everyone, I don't even know if our VHS player works anymore, but they have a lot of Disney assortment here of VHS videos. How about DVDs? It's always fun to find a good movie that when you're sitting out in the middle of nowhere and you have no service, you can actually throw into the DVD player or CD player and watch the video. All right, here you go. Here's the VHS player. You can buy this along with the videos. Collectible items these days. This is the man aisle, Ninette calls it. All kinds of different tools, different assortments of things, all kinds of weird little things. Well, I think these are, seen better days. Hey, this is hilarious. Yeah, you can get some sticky traps for your motorhome. We use these actually quite a bit, and they're $2 a piece.
I am going to read you the directions on how to use this 14-piece nut driver set from China. This is the English. The non-insulating tool refuses to use this tool to carry on the charged work. In the narrow and small space or the corner, uses this tool work to facilitate.
So, made in China?
Made in China.
Not translated very well.
No.
All right, right here in the middle of the whole shopping area for food is a bar. And Todd says it's time for a beer. Or they have more than beer here, though, right?
Yes, yes, they have tequila,
Tequila, vodka,
rum,
They have a little bit of everything here.
watermelon schnapps.
Oh, there you go. So what'd you end up getting?
A Modelo Negra, so black Modelo cerveza, Mexican beer from, I don't even know where it is from. Nava, I guess, N-A-V-A.
Have you had
Mexico.
this before?
I have not had this before.
Oh, let's see what it tastes like.
Okay.
Good?
Tastes pretty good. Yeah, yeah. I recommend it.
Todd's
Yes.
a connoisseur. Is that
I'm a beer snob.
a beer snob?
I'll
Yeah.
just be honest. I'm just a beer snob. Yes.
Well, good. You got the right one, though.
I got the right one. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
All right, so this is the entrance where if you need to go to the bathroom, this is where you would actually go. It's back in here. This is where we're also going to turn our tickets in that we got at the gate when we paid. They have a drawing here.
How are you? So we're gonna make you famous. How does that sound?
Are you taking a video?
Yes. Yes.
And Sylvia, are we allowed to do video here?
We just want you to tell us what this is about.
Yeah? Okay.
He's got his own.
I just need to.
Oh, I understand. Yeah.
That's for a giveaway.
A giveaway. Okay.
Yes, what you do with that is you fill it out
Okay. On the back.
right there, and then we have a tumbler.
Okay.
And what we do is we do weekly giveaways.
Weekly
we do
giveaways.
giveaways every Saturday and Sunday.
You have to be here.
No, you don't.
No.
That's how we take your information.
You just need a phone number or
Phone
email?
number and an email.
Phone number and an email.
Or it's up to you.
Okay, phone number is easier,
Now,
yes.
now I am going to tell you that after you put in your phone number and your email, we will be emailing you or texting you every week.
That's how you got my number. I was wondering why am I getting
And then,
these emails?
and-
That's why.
And we send you,
Yeah.
and we send you a free admission coupon.
Yeah, absolutely. I used it today.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
see?
absolutely.
No.
Okay.
And today, what we're doing is we give away all sorts of stuff. We give away TVs, portable barbecue grills. We give away shopping sprees,
Okay.
which are $100 shopping sprees.
Oh, God.
But there's Swap Meet dollars.
So I
you
gotta
have to
use it
spend
here.
at the
Okay,
Swap Meet.
okay.
And so this weekend we're giving away gift certificates and boxes of chocolates.
Oh,
Because of-
okay.
Because of Valentine's.
Sure, sure. And
Okay.
then what is the celebration? What is the thing today? The stage.
The
What?
cumbia
Yeah, what is that?
The cumbia is a type of dance.
Okay.
It's a Hispanic, but it's used all over. It's used in the Caribbean.
Okay.
It's a type of dance.
Is it like merengue?
It's a little bit like,
Like
it's
merengue.
kind of like salsa.
Like salsa. Okay, okay,
Kind of like
okay.
salsa.
Okay.
Actually, a cumbia you can dance it all sorts of ways. You can dance it as a merengue, as
Oh,
a
okay,
salsa.
okay, okay.
And that's what it is because of the type of bands we have today.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now you're gonna be famous.
Beautiful Hawaii, beautiful Hawaii. Honest.
Todd's always a is the word connoisseur.
No, not a connoisseur. I know what the word you're going for. He's a glutton for punishment. No, I always want to try something different. So,
Yeah, Todd.
Yeah, yes,
Provocateur.
yes,
Todd
yes.
always wants to try something different. So
This is a mango loco,
Mango Loco.
which is mostly mangoes. It has some tamarind candies in there with a tahine, which is a kind of a spicy stuff you can put on fruit. I highly recommend it.
Oh.
And then there is a tamarind candy, and then there's a chamoy sauce, which is kind of the red. It's kind of a red sweet sauce.
Wow. There's a lot going on in that.
A lot
little
lot going on in this party.
thing. Okay, let me try
Yeah,
one.
yeah. And what's the verdict, guys?
Oh, I liked it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. Good. Yep.
We're always getting mango and
Ah,
lots of sprinkled.
tahine. Yeah, the tahine. Yeah,
Tahine.
yeah, yeah.
Cool. Thanks.
Yeah, you betcha.
Okay, so we are done with the swap meet, and if you look through some of this here, this is like any standard swap meet. You can actually go through and buy different spots to sell things. So there's a lot of, that's why we kind of call it the flea market. But there are a lot of actual businesses that are inside here, so you can't barter with them. But all these outside areas is like going to a big yard sale everywhere and all kinds of good stuff. So just have to hunt through it, which takes forever. So, but anyway, it was a lot of fun, and we decided not to eat there. We did have the little mango treat from Todd, but we are at a different little spot. We're just going to kind of sneak up on this and show you. It's a treat for today, and then we'll show you what we're going to eat. So anyway, so just wait. Yeah, it's tacos, but they're different. So we are at El Taco Dorado Mexican food. It's a cool little place down, it's just in a neighborhood basically. I mean, it's just little shops, little food places all over the place that you can go to and get food. And so we're gonna order, hey, what is it that we're ordering? What's it called?
What do we order?
What's it called?
Birria.
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 See, I can't roll my tongue. But it's a taco, birria.
Yeah, birria.
So, but it's a taco, and you dip it into, what is it?
Consomme. It's called birria.
Okay, fine. I can't speak. That's why I haven't learned Spanish yet. So, anyway, yeah, I can't roll my R's. So, and they said that if you didn't learn that as a kid, you might as well forget it. You'll never be able to speak Spanish. Well, I don't know. At least you won't be able to roll my tongue. So, anyway, so these are tacos that you actually dip into an au jus sauce. So we're gonna check that out and see. Oh, is that what the sauce is called? Consomme?
Au jus is more beef.
Oh, consomme. Something like, we're gonna look at it when we get all our food. We'll check out what we're eating. All right, we have our food. So what's a consomme? Show us. Someone demonstrate.
What's your consomme?
What's the consomme?
Oh, ouch.
Oh,
That's hot consomme.
hot, and we're going to dip our burrito or our taco
Yeah.
into. Oh, we're gonna dip our taco into the consomme.
There you go.
Thank
You're welcome. Yeah, I'll go ahead and figure it out.
Okay, we're demonstrating this. Oh, okay, so Teresa's going to demonstrate. Can we get Teresa in the shot here? Oh, where's Teresa? Teresa's over there. Oh. Okay.
Here you go.
Did you hear that? So, good stuff. All right. Well, we're gonna just enjoy and eat now. Okay, we have finished our lunch. And I did. Yeah, it was good. So anyway, I showed them how we were eating and everything. You were kind of off to the side a little bit more. But anyway, I've got a card here I'll put up for this place. But I also wanted to point out this, what's it called? Churro place. It's actually right next door. And we usually get churros, but today's Sunday, and I guess they're closed on Sunday. So, and if you look at the sign here from El Taco Dorado, they're closed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is what that sign said, but I'm putting it up here on the screen. You guys can actually see it. So there's lots of little places down here all around. We're actually in the older area of Yuma now, and so there's a lot of Latinos down here, a lot of Mexican food establishments, just in people's, almost like they're in their backyards almost. They're not. I mean, they're like regular businesses, but it's just little along the street. There's just like chain link fence, and all of a sudden there's a place to eat, or ice cream place, or a burrito, or no, what's the thing? Churro place,
Churros.
So churros.
There's
so
a new chicken
and there's
place right here.
yeah. So there's all this food place around here, man. It's really good food, and so that's really fun with this area of town. And we have fun coming down here. We're quite a ways from where we live. We live in the foothills of Yuma, so we're about 10 miles from where we're at right now. So anyway, but other than that,
We
I
also
mean,
ate at Del Sol.
Del Sol is a grocery store down here, and the only issue you run into with a lot of these places you just need to be aware of is a lot of them, they don't have very many English speaking people. And so like when we ate at Del Sol, there's a big long line, but people were going ahead of us because the only people, they spoke Spanish. They didn't speak any English. So there was one person, and she had to help each one of us as we went through. So those, you just got to keep that in mind a little bit. So
Be
if you
patient.
can learn a little bit of Spanish, which is our dream, or at least my dream, to at least learn something someday, it might make it a little bit easier, or just keep going with people that kind of understand what it is, I guess. So, but anyway, that's it for today. We just gave you this little treat at the end of this, but the swap meet is fun to go to, and then you can have food there too, but we just chose to go to this place because it's so good. And Teresa and Jerry, they're only here for a couple more days, so we wanted to they wanted to come back here, and so that's why we came back down here. So anyway, with that said, I guess we'll go ahead and close out this video for now, and we'll just catch you on the next spot. So you know, that's the whole idea. We're not saying goodbye, we're just going to catch you on down the road somewhere, and if it's around here in Yuma, give us a call. Otherwise we'll see what happens on the next video. So take care.